In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to export contacts from Constant Contact. Whether you're organizing your email list, migrating to a new platform, or simply keeping a backup of your contacts, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to constantcontact.com. Once there, log in using your credentials to access your account. This is the first step in ensuring you have all the tools you need at your fingertips to manage your contacts effectively. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Contacts section. You can find this option typically at the top of the dashboard. Clicking on Contacts will bring up a list of all the contacts you've accumulated in your Constant Contact account, displaying them in a clear and organized manner. Now it's time to decide which contacts you want to export. Browse through your list and select the contacts you wish to export by checking the checkbox next to each contact's name. If you want to export all your contacts, you can select them all at once, ensuring you don't leave anyone out. This step is crucial as it gives you the flexibility to choose exactly which information you want to take out of Constant Contact. After selecting the contacts, look for the Actions button. It's usually located above the list of contacts. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the Export Selection option. This is where you tell Constant Contact that you want to create a file of the contacts you've selected. Once you've chosen to export, you'll be prompted to confirm your action by clicking on Export. At this point, Constant Contact will process your request and prepare a file for you. The exported file will typically be in a CSV format, which is a versatile file type that can be opened and manipulated in a variety of applications such as Excel or Google Sheets. And there you have it. Your contacts are now exported from Constant Contact, ready to be used however you see fit. This quick and simple process ensures that you maintain control over your contact dates, making it easy to share, store, or move as necessary. Remember, exporting contacts regularly is a good practice for maintaining up-to-date records and ensuring you have backups of your valuable contact information. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more confident in managing your contacts within Constant Contact. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your digital marketing tools. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy exporting!